got the juice, your came the truth. My screams is the proof, them other dudes get the juice. So if you read in the coupe, leaving this interview, it ain't nothing new. I've been fucking with you, and if they taking you, just